The most common form of teeth whitening is toothpaste. There are a variety of brands and most will have the same ingredients with slight variations, flavors, and strengths. Teeth whitening toothpaste is good for a basis of getting whiter teeth, but it shouldn't be the sole power in terms of achieving that perfect white smile. While teeth whitening toothpaste will help, they are not as potent as professional teeth whitening treatments that can achieve the desired results of erasing years of teeth stains. You can purchase teeth whitening toothpaste at your local store or through a variety of other ways online. It's a great everyday treatment for your teeth, but it's not going to erase the tough stains, and it should be used as a secondary treatment. How much does teeth whitening cost for toothpaste? You're looking at between $7 and $15 for most brands. In the late 2000s, teeth whitening strips were becoming very popular as they combined some of the ingredients from the dentist for teeth whitening with easy to apply strips on your teeth. The strength is better than whitening toothpaste, but the popularity of teeth whitening strips has died down in recent years, mainly because the biggest issue still persists. Strips tend to be messy with whitening treatments. When peeling them off, you'll likely get all the whitening gel on your hands, and post-treatment requires a few washes of the mouth to get rid of that gel. Whitening strips can be annoying as they tend to slide off your teeth. When using them, your tongue will need to stay in place and talking will shift the strips. If the strips stay on your gums, they may cause bleeding, soreness, or swelling, as the whitening gel should not be on the surface of your gums. How much does teeth whitening strips cost? You're looking between $20 and $65 for most brands. Teeth whitening pens are another way to apply teeth whitening gel onto your teeth without the strips. Similar to the teeth whitening strips, the strength of the gel is better than toothpaste, but you will need to be careful when applying it to your teeth. Make sure you aren't getting any on your gums, and you'll likely only be able to whiten the front few teeth of your smile as opposed to a full smile, including the backs of your teeth. Teeth whitening pens are a great way to whiten your teeth on the go or if they need a slight touch-up, but you'll need to consistently use them and apply the gel on the same areas over and over if you want to see results. How much does teeth whitening cost with gel pens? You're looking at between $20 and $65 depending on the brand. The most expensive option for teeth whitening treatments takes what your dentist uses in terms of blue lights and wraps it into a at-home teeth whitening kit. This is a very expensive option, but comes with both pros and cons. Pairing the whitening gel with blue lights will speed up the process of whitening your teeth. But be warned, most whitening blue lights that are in at-home kits will not have the same power as your dentist's professional blue light that they can offer at their office. So while the blue light works, it's certainly not as powerful as the one that your dentist uses. Blue light whitening kits can also be very dangerous in terms of buying cheap knockoffs. If you buy a cheaper version, the frequency of the light may not be safe for your gums and teeth, resulting in sore, puffy, or bloody gums. Blue lights will also not whiten your entire set of teeth. It will only whiten where the gel and the light combine, meaning the back of your teeth will remain stained as well as the molars. It's as close as you'll get to a professional blue light treatments from the dentist, but as soon as your blue light stops working, and it can break easily if not cared for properly, then you're out of treatments. How much does teeth whitening cost for a blue light kit? Well, you're looking at between $85 and $300 depending on the brand. The final option for teeth whitening are custom teeth whitening trays, and they've taken the whitening industry by storm over the last few years for a few different reasons. They aren't cheap treatments like toothpaste, whitening pens, and whitening strips, and they are not overly expensive like whitening blue light kits. Custom whitening trays are crafted from impressions from your teeth, and the final product encapsulates all your teeth, including both the top and bottom rows. When the whitening trays are paired with premium whitening gels that foam at the contact of saliva, the results can be dazzling. The potency of the gel helps erase years of teeth stains, including tea, coffee, wine, smoking, and age stains. One of the best perks about whitening trays is how durable they are, as opposed to whitening lights that require to be plugged in or stored away carefully. Whitening trays are very flexible and near indestructible, resulting in the ability to be reused over and over. Whitening trays are also waterproof, so they're easy to implement into a morning or nightly routine, as you can use them in the shower. How much does teeth whitening cost with whitening trays? You're looking at between $80 and $150, but Sporting Smiles is offering 10% off for new orders on whitening trays. All you have to do is click the link below.